Alright, so in this lesson we're tackling adding and subtracting of rational expressions, which, once again, if you think about it, rational expressions are nothing more than complicated fractions. So here we're going to base our work with this rational expressions problem on a simple fractions problem. Now, this one is pretty easy because they've done half the work for us. As you know, when we add and subtract fractions, the first thing we need to do is have a common denominator because they need to be basically in the same units. 6/8 plus 1/8. Since they're both in the units of eighths, I can add them together. So the strategy is to add the numerators. 6 of these plus 1 of these is 7, and we have 7/8, which we just take our common denominator and recopy. If needed, we always look at our fraction to see if we can reduce it, but 7/8 is reduced, so we'll just leave it. So now when we apply that to rational expressions, it's the same basic idea. They need to have a common denominator. In this case, they do. 2n plus 3 is our denominator over here, which is copied over here. So we have our common denominator, so now it's just a matter of adding the numerators. 5 plus 7 is 12 over our common denominator of 2n plus 3. So that's what we're going to look at in these upcoming examples, is how does what we're doing with rational expressions mirror what we would do with a normal fraction.